Hola, welcome back. So I picked up this GBA on eBay from a seller called Vandals Games. I've had this for a few weeks now, just waiting for stuff to come in. Winter weather always puts everything behind. So as things are coming in, I'm chipping away at stuff. So we've got the shell, buttons and membranes, broken LCD screen, and the main board. A couple of repairs I've made prior to filming this. The switch itself is damaged, so there's no bringing that back or fixing. So I've soldered a wire to make sure proper power is being supplied. Not all bits were included, but I knew some were missing when I paid for it, so no big deal. Putting the board into the shell here and throwing some batteries in, you can see the green light lights up, so we know it's got power. Testing the audio, I get it in the headphones, but not the speaker. After checking traces and all checking out, I suspected it was due to corrosion, so I got in there and removed what I could and got audio out of the speaker finally. Time to remove the old switch and get the new one in there, which was a basic removal and install and cleanup. I use my microscope often for most of my soldering, just to double check myself, especially when it comes to power switches. Back in the shell it goes, and quick test results. I'm happy with that. Next we will replace the LEDs since I'm going to a specific theme here. I'm choosing red for power and yellow gold for the low battery portion. Just a quick flip of the switch. With the shell on, you can see it better. I was supposed to receive my ribbon cable for the AGS 101 screen, but only got my voltage regulator. Since then I've spoken with the seller, which is on its way. Just one more thing I gotta wait for. So that will be on the next video, along with battery contacts, shell and buttons, etc. So today, we fixed the power switch, audio, and power LEDs. Feeling good about it all, and hope you'll return for the next video for the GBA. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.